Alright, so this dashcam just blew me away with its super awesome ADAS features. I'm talking about the FitSpark DC-101 Pro ADAS dash camera. I recently reviewed this dashcam on my channel and many of you have even liked that video. So this dash camera basically provides you some top-notch ADAS features coming under the price bracket of 8,000 rupees. Now the four important ADAS features this dashcam includes is a lane departure warning, is a stop and go warning, the forward collision alert and a pedestrian alert warning. Now I put this dashcam to the test, specifically the ADAS features to the test, and to my surprise I found them to be extremely accurate and very reliable. Hardly there was any point where this camera missed those ADAS features. Maybe 99% of the time this was pretty much accurate. So here's what we're going to do. In this video I'm going to show you quickly how you can calibrate the ADAS on this dashcam, along with showing you a real life test, a real life demonstration of all the ADAS features of the DC-101 Pro ADAS dashcam. So if you are interested in purchasing this dashcam, the link to purchase it is provided in the description, along with the link for the video in which I have covered the entire review of this dash camera. Let's get started. So here I have mounted the FitSpark Pro ADAS dash camera on my windshield. Let's quickly take a look at the ADAS calibration part. So first of all, you will have to enter the settings using this menu button. So as soon as you do enter the settings, scroll down until you reach the ADAS and the ADAS calibration options right here. So move on to the ADAS calibration and click on OK. So as soon as you do click on the OK, it says align with the horizon and align the vertical line with the middle of the front of the car. So you need to move around the camera a bit, so you can either move it up or down or slightly on the left and right. Make sure that the horizontal line has aligned with the horizon which you're seeing right at the front, and make sure that the middle line is aligned at the middle of the front of the car. So as you can see, it is aligned right at the middle of the car. So currently the calibration part is pretty much done. So once you feel it's calibrated properly, the horizontal line is at the horizon and the vertical line is at the middle of the car, just click on the OK button and the ADAS calibration is pretty much done. So let's take a look at all the ADAS features, or more specifically the four specific ADAS features that are present within this dashcam. So first of all, you do have the lane departure warning, then you have the forward collision warning, then you have stop and go, then you have pedestrian collision warning. So in the lane departure warning, this camera is going to warn you in case if your car deviates from the lane within which you are driving the car. The next option is the forward collision warning, which means if your car approaches the car in front and gets too close, you will have a warning on the screen, even along with the audio notification. Stop and go, whenever your car is stopped at a signal and as soon as the signal turns green, this will give you an indication so that your car is not stationary for more than required time. Then lastly, you have the pedestrian collision warning, wherein any particular pedestrian which might be near the car, the dashcam is going to identify and give you a warning so that you don't miss that particular pedestrian. So these are the four specific ADAS features which are found in this dash camera, and currently there is no other dashcam that can provide all these features within this price bracket. So I tested out the ADAS features of the FitSpark Pro ADAS dashcam and I found them to be extremely accurate, and this is a real life test, this is a real life demonstration of the ADAS features within this dashcam. So I had stopped my car at this particular traffic signal, and as soon as the traffic started to move, front car go, you got the front car go notification or stop and go notification, which is one of the important ADAS notifications that this dash camera provides. And as soon as my car was speeding up and I was about close to reaching the red colored Tata Harrier, and I kind of reached it very close, should I say, front car collision, this was the audio notification which came up. It said front car notification, alerting me that I was getting very close to the car in the front. Now what happens at the left side, just take a look. There was this two-wheeler person who suddenly came out of nowhere and kind of joined right in between the Harrier and my car, and this happened so quickly that I had hardly noticed that person, but the dashcam gave me the ADAS notification of pedestrian warning right at the correct moment. Take a look. Pedestrian. So this warning was good enough and important for me because I could recognize that there was a two-wheeler person right in front of the car, so I could take my car out of his direction and direct it properly towards the other side of the road. Following that, here is the demonstration of the next ADAS feature, the lane departure warning, and I intentionally changed my lane departure to get this warning from the camera that I have departed the lane which I was following. This is a very important notification, especially in highways where you tend to kind of lose control of the car once in a while and you tend to depart from your lane. So this camera provides the lane departure warning and helps you keep your car right on track. So these real life tests and real life demonstration of the ADAS features exceeded my expectations, because generally ADAS features in dash cams are not very reliable, or should I say not very accurate. But in the FitSpark DC-101 they are pretty much close to 100% accurate, and that's a good thing because this camera comes under the price bracket of 8,000 rupees. So if you are someone who wants a dash cam with top-notch safety ADAS features, who wants to keep the budget low, who wants to buy camera less than 8,000, and also wants to have some parking monitoring out of your car, because FitSpark is offering a free hardware kit along with the dashcam, and all you need to do is just send the purchase invoice to their service ID and you probably will get a hardware kit in about a week or two. That being said, this would be the most value for money deal out there, because basically you're getting top-notch ADAS features, you're getting a display on the screen, you're getting a free hardware kit, everything bundled together under 8K. Why miss this chance? Go ahead, grab this dash cam right now. The purchase link is given in the description, and if you want to know a bit more in detail about this camera, you can watch the full review, for which the link is also given in the description. If you do have any queries or doubts, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of my channel right now. Smash that like button and share this video with all your ADAS crazy friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.